Hi, good day, guys. My name is Nick, technical analyst with SuperForex. Today, we are looking at the analysis on the currency metal, gold, XAU, USD. And first, as usual, we'll talk about fundamentals before we move right down to technicals, which is going to be purely what we'll be seeing on the chart. Now we can see that the gold price focus, SAU USD recovery rally stalls as our focus shifts to Wednesday Fed minutes. We have gold price that had been pausing its 3-day recovery amidst the cautious market since early Tuesday morning today. And the US dollar ticks higher with the US Treasury bond yields as investors keep cheering bets of a fewer Fed rate cuts in the book. Now, gold sellers return after facing some sort of rejection at the 21-day SMA near $2,025, while our RSI has recently surrendered to the 15 level. We are expecting that gold price is going to be trading on the back foot below $2,020 since the morning, and we are following a positive start, of course, to the week, and we are logging a 3-day recovery rally, and the gold price upside will seem like something capped by a renewed upstick in the US dollar, and of course, the US Treasury bond yields market brace for return of the American traders. Now, gold price looking forward to also the Wednesday Fed meetings minutes for fresh impetus, and we have risk sentiments which has been remaining in a weak spot so far this week as investors have failed to share a bigger than expected loan prime rate. Now, the 5-year mortgage lending rate by a record basis point of 4.20 to 3.95% means that the lack of fiscal policy support measures from what China leaves its market unimpressed. Now, we're expecting our CPI, Consumer Price Index, and Producer Price Index, PPI, to be at least 76%, with a chance of a cut in June. And we are totally expecting full upside momentum, while we are looking out for any sharp declines following this CME Group's Fed Watch 2. Now, with respect to this, we are expecting in calculation in pips, about 227 pips to the upside, and then a possible halt at that point, which would mean that the 206.87 landmark is going to be hit, of course. And with that, might touch down a little bit before moving to the upside the more at 2079.31, of course, which is a good morning. And that's our technical analysis on today's metal gold. Now let's move over to the stock markets. Hi, welcome back, guys. And on today's stock market, we are taking a look at stock market giants from China, Alibaba, and we are seeing that recently the stock Alibaba had reported a third quarter fiscal 2024 with a solid profit upbeat, of course, on moderately below expectation revenue. Now, Zhang's key takeaway from the quarter is that Alibaba is back on offense, while the company has decided to pivot toward growth and invest in revitalizing its core businesses like Taobao and T-Small Group or TTG Cloud and Alibaba International Digital Commerce, AIDC. Now, we have noted that the revenue growth focus as a positive strategic move, but acknowledge that growth recovery may take time to materialize and, of course, sustain. With the pace and magnitude of the investment cycle uncertain, we anticipate volatility in profit in the fourth quarter of fiscal 2024 and fiscal 2025. And it has been announced an increase of the share repurchase program of $25 billion with a total balance of $35.3 billion available through the next 3 fiscal years. Now, as the Alibaba stock continues to navigate the uncertain China macro, we are feeling that management remains focused on prioritizing top-line growth and increasing investment levels, especially in its core businesses. Now, our RSI is seemingly looking downwards from 70 below, but there are some expectations that it might just be a recovery of this gap and then a continuation of the trend. So if we're expecting at least to get to the 77.45 axis, which is where the next resistance is currently balancing at. We are looking at nothing less than 35 to 40 pips from that point, of course, which is good money. And that's our technical analysis on today's stock market. Chinese giants, Alibaba. I remain your host, Nick. Bye for now.